Hi there, students. Mouth-watering, an adjective. Mouth-wateringly as an adverb. Okay, this is another one of these phrases where there's a question. Is it one word? Is it two words? Or is it hyphenated? I think personally I would go for one word. But some of the dictionaries out there give it as with a hyphen. I think you can do it both ways. Okay, firstly, the physical definition of mouth-watering is something that's very appetizing. It looks or it smells delicious. There was a mouth-watering smell coming from my kitchen, or that's what everybody said. Yeah. I looked at the mouth-watering menu. Yeah. So something that's mouth-watering, if you see something that's delicious, you start to salivate. It brings water to your mouth, or saliva, and this is a natural reaction that you can't avoid. Yeah, Pavlov's dogs. Okay, so it's mouth-watering. So you can also use this metaphorically, something that looks really attractive, really tempting. So I was flicking through the holiday brochure, and there were mouth-watering views of sunny beaches. Yeah, there were mouth-watering pictures of the mountains. There are a mouth-watering selection of activities to do. It's something that you really would enjoy doing, that you think is really something that you would enjoy a lot. So if something's mouth-watering, it whets your appetite. Whet, W-H-E-T, to sharpen your appetite. But it just doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to just be the smell of food. Yeah. They offered him a mouth-watering amount of money for his company, and he just couldn't refuse it. Yeah. It was absolutely mouth-watering. It was something that he really thought was going to be great. There are mouth-watering opportunities to make money within this market. Okay, so yeah, a mouth-watering smell, but it can go a lot further than that as well. An enticing offer, a tantalizing offer. The amount of money they offered him was mouth-wateringly high. Okay, so extremely enticing. It looks extremely good. Yeah, it makes your mouth water. Yeah, I looked at the cakes in the shop window, and they looked mouth-watering. They looked mouth-wateringly delicious. There are mouth-watering opportunities for you to get a good job within this company. Yeah, all you have to do is get in the first place. Okay, so something that's mouth-watering, something that you really fancy doing. He talked to me of the mouth-watering idea of spending a few days in the Caribbean at his private villa. Yeah, that's a mouth-wateringly interesting opportunity, perhaps. Okay, so the origin, it makes your mouth water effectively. Yeah, you see food, your mouth waters. As to formality, mouth-watering opportunity, I think I would give it 4.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal conversation. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but don't go any further than that. Okay, so yeah, made to make your mouth water. It's mouth-watering. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mouth-watering, mouth-wateringly.